this is the place where we went for the very first time once the lockdown was relaxed. So we got really bored, and so we just thought of just going for an outing. So this place is near the Western Ghats. So like we went for a one-day trip to enjoy the nature, and we heard there is a falls also. So we went there, and you can see it's drizzling there. So a pakka Western Ghat climate. So this place is called as Lower Kodayar, which is present in Kanyakumari district, and hope everybody would have known about Tiruparapu waterfalls, but this waterfall is also very nice, so you can see that in the video. So we went as a family. Say, hey, this is Darshana, my wife, and we have taken our kid also. Yeah, see, this is Rashmika. So we all went there and enjoyed the climate. Hope you can also watch this video and come to the Lower Kodayar and enjoy the nature. Hey guys, good morning. We are currently in the Western Ghats. You can see the Western Ghats in the background, and you can see the clouds at the top. So this is the normal time here. Okay, it's a monsoon time. So you can see the clouds floating near the mountain, and you can see the bamboos and the rubbers, everything. So we'll take you around for a tour. You can see and enjoy the video.
guys, this is Yokesh from the Random Guys.
Hey guys, so at last we reached our destination. We were looking for a waterfall because we just want to chill out. So we came in search of a waterfall. We found some water here. You can see some streams. So going upwards, we can find a waterfall. So let's go. Hope we'll see the waterfall. Yeah.